Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me here today for this video, which is going to be my very first time to play with the Melt Cosmetics She's in Parties palette. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm really excited to play with this palette. I have to say, beautiful, beautiful carton and packaging. I have to say I'm a little nervous about it's a beautiful palette. Here's what my palette looks like. Ooh, it's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to get into this beautiful palette today. So while I'm giving my eye primer a moment to set down, let me just share with you what color lipstick I have on. Here's the shade name, and it is from Revlon. It's my first time to wear it. It's really pretty. It's looking a little bit more red in the viewfinder, but in person it's coming off a little bit more wine tone. All right, so I've zoomed you in. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy, kind of pinched blender. And honestly, the one that I think I'm gonna go into is, I'm gonna go into this beautiful kind of muted purple lilac kind of color. Really pretty. This is definitely a tap it off. This is a tap it off formula for sure. Let's hope that we don't get any fallout. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Oh my God. I really like that shade. So there's that first shade in the crease. Next, I'm going to deepen it up with this slightly darker shade. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is a lot deeper than I thought it was going to come out, but exactly like I had hoped it would be. I thought it was going to come out lighter though. Oh, it's a beautiful, soft, but not thin formula. I love this matte right here. Okay. Wow, that's a beautiful, that is a beautiful color. It is building up really nicely with the other one. Okay, I'm just going back in with that first brush, no additional product, and I'm just gonna blend out that top part where they meet so that we can get a really beautiful seamless look. Wow, look at that. That is a gorgeous color. I knew I was gonna love this palette. All right, I'm going for it. I'm going into this really, really deep shade right here. Just taking it on a pointed fat pencil. And I am going to just deepen it up even further, just right there at the edge of the corner. Like that. You see the difference that made? Let me move this hair. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, I'm gonna take this really beautiful deep satin right here. Let's just see what happens. Okay. Ooh. That's really pretty. Wow, look at that color. Oh my God. Okay. That got pretty smoky and intense, but I'm not mad about it. Okay, I'm gonna take another little more detailed shader, and I'm gonna go into this slightly brighter satin and hope that, I'm gonna hope that this will provide me enough contrast here at the front. Not quite, it's enough, but not, I was hoping it'd be a little bit more fiery. I just drag it over onto that. It is pretty though, I do see a difference. I was hoping it'd be a little bit more punchy in the fire aspect of it. It is pretty though. Real pretty. Okay. That is no joke of a shade for here in the inner corner. Okay. Are my shapes matching? I might have to do a little bit of blending and shaping there in a minute. Okay. Ooh, we still have that other one. I'm gonna do that at the bottom. Let me just make sure that I'm not getting any fallout because my face is already done. Okay. All right. Can't tell if I got the slightest bit of fallout. I'm gonna take this kind of like fat domed blunted round pencil and take it into the lightest shade here and hope that this right here is gonna provide me the contrast that I need. Doesn't look like it. I mean, it is a little bit, but maybe this brush was too big. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a more detailed pencil. That's what I needed. The other one was just too big and slightly too fluffy. Okay. That helped me also just blend out that really harsh, blunt edge of that deeper shimmer right there, which I appreciate. Okay, I feel like one side got more pink than the other because I used a dirty brush. This is why I like to go in with fresh brushes each time. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. That one is kind of duochrome. I'm going to just drag it over a little bit here to provide a little bit of brightness because it really is working like that. Wow. Oh. Okay. Whoa. I'm going to take this little detailed brush into this mid-toned matte. That's the one I'm going to do on the lower lash line. Wow, I really, really like the way this is turning out. Okay. Go into this last deep satin that we have here. And I'm just going to smoke out the very bottom. Can you see the difference that made? I'm going to take this, I'm going to see what this last shade in the palette is all about. We haven't touched this one yet. And this one, I feel like I'm going to want to spray this one. So far, these are these are all the brushes I've used so far. I'm going to spray that shade, that shimmer, with some setting spray. Where are we going to put it? I'm going to put it here in the middle of the eyelid. I just want to see what it does. Really nothing. I mean, a little bit. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, you just got to build. Oh. Wow. Ooh, did you see that? Look at the difference that made. Whoa. This shade is really pretty. It's not that much like of a difference at first, but if you build it up, like if you put on 2 layers of it, if you build it up on itself, oh my gosh, and make sure you give it a fresh spray. That's where the magic comes in with that one. Whoa. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna blend out this top edge a little bit. And then the shimmer a little bit. Wow. There's the eye look, and I really like it. Okay, so here's the look. Let me, we did use every shade in the palette. Let me finish the look off with some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look. So here's the finished look with the She's in Parties palette. We did use every single shade to create this look. I really like it. Let me move my hair so you can see the other side of the corners. Okay, so here's a close-up of the eyes. Let me know what you think. We did use every single shade to create this look. And I closed the look off with, okay, hold on, wait. I used the KVD tattoo liner in Trooper Black or whatever it's called for my winged liner. My waterline is the Urban Decay X Prince Kohl Liner in black. For mascara, I went in with the Milani Anti-Gravity, which I'm really enjoying, and stacked that with the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift, the new version. Yeah, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you think. I really like it. I had so much fun playing with this palette today and hanging out with you, so I hope you enjoyed yourself too. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel out so much. And make sure you're subscribed so we can hang out again, and I'll see you in my next video, which might be a makeup video, it might be a nail polish video. We shall see. Bye.